Hello, good day, good morning. Today is day 3 of my trip to Paris and we are doing something pretty cool today. But let me show you in a moment. For now I need to take the metro and I need to find the metro first. Right, so right now it is 9 a.m. I should have the time to do everything I want to do. Should be alright. I was wondering why everything was so quiet, but it's Sunday morning actually. The metro, the metro! And I am going up to La Concorde. Oh, Place de la Concorde. Look, the obelisk. So it is 9:33 right now, and I have a ticket to visit Le Louvre. So today we are staying Le Louvre, and my ticket is for 10 a.m. So I thought that, you know, instead of taking the metro up to the station that was the closest to the Louvre, that it would be a good idea to take it to La Concorde there and then to walk through the garden called Les Tuileries, so le Jardin des Tuileries. Alright, so we've seen it, and now on the other side, Jardin des Tuileries. Let's walk across from it, and the Louvre is on the other side. Alright, so yeah, I don't really have time to stay forever in there, and it's so cold anyway. We are just crossing it, nothing more, but I will probably do the same thing at the end of the afternoon when I get out of the Louvre. The obelisk there. So I think that's the entire building basically, but the entrance is through the pyramid, and I am still in the garden of Les Tuileries. Very nice. I really love those chairs. They are really like the ones you can find in a lot of the gardens in Paris. Alright, that's cute and all, but I need to go. Hey, little Becky. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Okay, I can see the pyramid. Let's go look at this. Look at this. And there you go, what a view. It is 9:57. Bikes. Which queue I need to go in? So that is the 10 a.m. queue, yep. Right, so that's the 10 a.m. queue. Just a lot of queuing. That is pretty cool. Obviously, as always, the goal is not to like spoil you the experience, because there's nothing that replaces actually going there. So I can't show everything and there's no point to it. But I will show you, I don't know, what I enjoyed most about it, what I found beautiful personally. But you have to experience it for yourself. This wing is the Richelieu wing, so L Richelieu. This one is the Sully wing, so the L Sully. And this one is the Denon. Is it Denon? Yeah, Denon. Denon wing, so L Denon. So that's the big pyramid there. And I am here. 1200, 1500, 1700. We've got that. 1800, and now. I just need a little water snack break. There were some kids who were like really enthusiastic about my tattoos. That was funny. I am so tired though. That is called La Liberté guidant le peuple, so that's freedom or liberty guiding the people. There is a coffee there, restaurant. I am back there and I still haven't found the room with La Joconde. So let's keep on searching. So I am back here and I have seen everything around there, I think. 2 p.m. and still no lunch, so second snack. Maybe that's the coolest stuff in the museum actually. The ground floor at some point. So today the museum closes at 6 p.m. so I need to hurry up a little bit. So I still want to have time to go there, but honestly the view is maybe better from top. It's under a greenhouse, sort of, a dome. There you go, so now I have done everything on the second floor and it is time to go down. I am so tired now. I feel like I'm too tired to enjoy this. This should be like the first thing you see maybe when you come to the Louvre. Because it's also the coolest part of it, like the nicest part. When you cross over there is a second part on the other side. Yeah, very, very cool, this part too. I don't think I've done everything in the museum, but it's alright. I'm like super tired. It's nearly 5 p.m. I'm super tired, and the part that I really wanted to do is actually where I am right now, with the horses and stuff, just the statues. So I'm really happy with my day. I'm so tired though. Like, you have to know that once you enter, like, you will not really have any possibility for lunch, or like it will be super expensive, or it will be like completely crowded. So that would be my recommendation if you want to visit. Just eat a lot before coming, or just like come after lunch something. Also, preferably come on a day when it closes later, so that you have more time. Or even if it's your thing, come for like 2 or 3 days. And bring some water, bring some snacks. Also, don't bring too many things, like a bag that's too big or something, because there isn't a locker for everyone. So you're gonna have to carry this throughout the day. So yeah, that's my advice. Eat a lot before coming, have water and snacks with you, and a small bag. But that is really great. That's a really great museum. You just have to see it if you come to Paris. And yeah, maybe 1 day or 2 or 3 days, depending on how intensely you want to look at things. In 1 day, you can see everything, but you will have to sort of rush through things. Anyway, so now I'm done. I'm going to go back there to go back to the entrance, the main pyramid. And there we are, back at the pyramid. So that's, once you exit. So there are cafes there next to the pyramid, but they are like super expensive, and you have to exit and re-enter again then. I kind of want to try to get a map as sort of a souvenir, because I didn't get one before entering, and I would like to have one. Can have one. I want the French one. Blanche Musée. Alright, sortir, exit. So now, as I said, it's really great to visit the Louvre. It's a lot of things, well. So yeah, you will be like starving, you will get lost. And you have to be okay with it. You have to accept getting lost in the museum. That's just how it is, but it's fine. And yeah, just enjoy the visit. Take some water, some snacks, and a small bag, and you will be good. So now I'm just going to take the metro back to the hotel, but I am going to do just like this morning basically. I'm going to walk through the Jardin des Tuileries and take the metro at Concorde, at La Concorde, at the obelisk. Just so we see it again, basically. Okay, goodbye Louvre. And that way. Okay, let's go. Let's cross. Those clouds are going fast. Alright, that was just 1 minute. Eiffel Tower there. Alright, goodbye obelisk. And goodbye La Concorde. Now I need the metro now. Number 8. I am going there. Starving. I'm gonna go have dinner, and then it's night. Good night. See you tomorrow. Bye.